Hey Jasper, are you stopping again?
Yeah, Frob. I'm tired of doing this.
Well, you know what? Jasper, I'll get you a vehicle for your birthday since it's coming up pretty close. And because you're my best friend, I'll let you drive it.
Thanks.
Okay. Tezuka production employee, you have some explaining to do.
It's about the cease and desist.
I don't know what you're talking about. Wait, what? We never gave you the cease and desist letter.
If you didn't do it, then who?
We'll have to figure this out.
Yo guys, what's up? It's me, Knuckles.